Welcome to Mie Ride, where driving is made simple and rewarding. In this video, we'll walk you through how to sign up as a driver. Let's get started. First, head to the App Store or Play Store, search for the Mie Ride Driver App, and tap the download button. It's free and easy. Once downloaded, open the app and tap Create New Account to begin your registration process. Now, enter your basic details, including your first name, last name, mobile number, email, and ID. Don't forget to set a strong password for your account. Next, upload your profile picture using your phone's camera. Then tap Next to continue. Time to add your vehicle details. Enter your vehicle number, choose whether it's a 4-seater or 6-seater, and select the year of your vehicle from the drop-down menu. Now, upload the required documents, including your driver's license, vehicle ownership, and insurance papers. Make sure they are up to date to avoid any delays. Finally, read and agree to our terms and conditions. Then tap the Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation code shortly. Enter the OTP sent to you via SMS or email to verify your account. Once approved, you're all set to start driving with Mie Ride.